I am from the Philippines. I'm a licensed teacher and ESL certified. I have been teaching for 5 years. 1 year being a company and private tutor, and 2 years being a primary teacher here in my country, and another 2 years being a kindergarten teacher in Geselle, Henan, China. And now I am currently teaching online. I will help you to learn more. And I promise that you will find love and joy while you are learning. So what are you waiting for, kids? Come on and book one of my classes. Enjoy learning!